Imagine this scenario. You're stopped at a traffic light in a cozy family station wagon. Next to you is a sports coupe, and the driver is looking at you condescendingly through the window. He's convinced that this old clunker is only here to haul seedlings to the summer cottage or a dog to the park. But as soon as the light turns green, the quiet Swedish station wagon takes off so fast that all that's left behind is a cloud of dust and the distinctive sound of a 5-cylinder turbocharged engine. Today we're talking about a true legend, the Volvo V70 R, a car that blurred the line between boring family life and adrenaline-fueled sports. The V70 R's main magic is hidden under the hood. It's a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine with KKK turbocharging. It delivers 300 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque. In the early 2000s, these numbers sounded like a challenge to supercars. But it's not just about the power. The engine's unique configuration produces that signature sound, a low, rumbling roar that's unmistakable. It's not the shrill sound of a high-revving engine. It's a low-frequency vibration that you can feel throughout your back. This engine was paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 5-speed Eisen automatic transmission. And if you want to get the most out of the car, the manual transmission turns this station wagon into a true driver's tool. Volvo understood that to build a fast station wagon, a powerful engine alone wasn't enough. You have to make it turn. It was the V70 R that was equipped with the 4C, continuously controlled chassis concept, adaptive suspension, which was innovative at the time. You have 3 modes: comfort, sport, and advanced. Comfort makes the car smooth. Advanced turns the station wagon into a stiff, tight-handling machine. The system analyzes road conditions and adjusts the shock absorber stiffness accordingly. Combined with Haldex all-wheel drive, the V70 R delivers an amazing sense of confidence. Take a look at it. The V70 R doesn't scream about its power. There are no massive front spoilers or flashy air intakes. Just understated elegance, a unique front bumper, slightly lowered ride height, and the legendary 18-inch Pegasus wheels. Inside, it's a realm of Scandinavian minimalism. The finest leather, blue instrument cluster dials, which have become the hallmark of the R series, and seats that are still considered among the most comfortable in the automotive industry. This isn't a Spartan race car. It's your personal office on wheels, where you can comfortably drive 1,000 kilometers in a day. Why are we still talking about this car decades later? Because the Volvo V70 R is a symbol of a bygone era. An era when engineers could afford to create a wild family car with a massive turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, and a unique personality. This is a car for those who appreciate the value of comfort but aren't willing to sacrifice the thrill of driving. It doesn't try to appear better than it is. It simply does its job quickly, stylishly, and with dignity. If you manage to find a working example today, cherish it. It's not just a mode of transportation. It's a piece of automotive history that only grows more valuable with time. Thank you for joining us. Let us know in the comments. Would you take a chance on a V70 R as your daily driver today? See you next time.